Hi friends, welcome to Korshika. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to send a real registration successful email when user registers on our Oscar site. By default, Oscar sends an email that is thanks for registration when user register on the site. But in this tutorial, I will teach you how to send real emails with the same configuration. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel Koshika to get the new video updates first to you. Now let's start the tutorial. Okay, this is the Oscar project I have created and I did all the settings for Oscar. Now let's move toward how to send a registration successful email in Oscar. By default, Django uses SMTP email backend to send the real emails, but I used here console backend instead of SMTP because I wanted to send the email after registration on standard output, that is console, instead of sending out the real emails. I did this because to show you the details of Oscar email, and later we will send out the real emails. So here I have added email backend setting with the value that is console email backend. Okay, I have already successfully registered one user, and I will open this terminal. You can see here the email is printed here from the attribute content type. Okay, now on this console, these are the details of the email that is sent by Oscar. Here the content type, MIME version, are the metadata about the email, and uh, this is the subject of the email, that is thank you for registering, and the email is sent from the default email ID, that is oscar@example.com. Okay, we can overwrite this email to use our own shop's email ID, and here the email is sent to the registered user, that is john@gmail.com, and here is the date of the email and the message ID, and you can see here this is the actual message sent to the user, that is thank you for registering. Okay, this is the plain text of the message, and here is the HTML text of the message. So you understood the details of the email. Now I want to actually send the email to the registered user email ID. So now you understood the details of the email. Okay, now I want to actually send the email to the registered user's email ID. For that we need to use default email backend, that is SMTP backend. So I will comment out this. Okay, I want to use the email ID of Gmail server for sending out emails from our Oscar shop. Okay, so I will type here email host equals to smtp.gmail.com. Okay, next I will provide the port number of the Gmail server, that is email underscore port equals to 587. Okay, next I want to provide the user ID of the Gmail server. Okay, from which user ID we are going to send the mails. Okay, so email host user equals to Okay, here I will provide the password for the user ID, that is using email host password equals to in double quote. Okay, next for email security we need to provide email use TLS setting. Email use TLS equals to true. Okay, so this is the sender's email ID and I want to register the user with the same email ID. That means for practice we will send the registration successful email to the same account. Now our this Oscar shop running on the browser is not registered on Google as a website. So to accept email from our shop we have to enable less secure app in our registered user account settings. Okay, so this is the Google account of user who is going to register on our Oscar shop. So from security, here we need to find the less secure app access. Okay, here is this. Okay, now click on this turn on access. Here we need to turn on this. Okay, yeah, that's done. Okay, here I will register by entering the user email ID and password. Okay, you can see here the user is registered successfully. Okay, now let's check our registered account for the email from Oscar. Okay, in inbox we got this email, that is with the subject thank you for registering. I will open this. Okay, so this is the registration successful email sent by Oscar. So to send the real emails in Oscar we have to configure the SMTP server with these details. So friends, in this tutorial you learned how to send the real registration successful email in Oscar. So if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my channel Code Shikha to get the new video updates first to you. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.